esteemed dignitaries, good morning. Let me begin by saluting our beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for the resounding success of Operation Sindoor. This success is a shining testament to his steely resolve and to the unmatched bravery of our armed forces. Friends, I also warmly congratulate Shri Jyotiraje Scindia ji for crafting this transformational platform. The 8 states of Northeast are rightly called Ashta Lakshmi. With the blessings of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity, the Northeast is not just rising, but to my mind, it is roaring. In the near future, I can clearly see this region replicating the miracle achieved by neighboring countries like Singapore, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Respected dignitaries, for Reliance, it is a matter of privilege to fulfill the dreams of a region that has the fastest rate of economic growth with the youngest population in India. Today, I make 6 commitments to the Chief Ministers of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. First, Reliance has invested around rupees 30,000 crores in the region in the past 40 years. In the next 5 years, we will more than double our investments with our target at 75,000 crores. In addition to creating over 2.5 million direct and indirect employment opportunities, we aspire to touch the lives of most of our 45 million sisters and brothers in Northeast. Second, Jio has already covered 90% of the population with over 5 million 5G subscribers. We will double this number this year. Jio's priority will be to bring the revolutionary power of artificial intelligence to all schools, hospitals, enterprise, and homes. When talent meets technology and competence meets connectivity, our Northeast will surge ahead. Third, Reliance Retail will vastly increase its procurement of staples, fruits, and vegetables to boost the income of farmers. We will also invest in factories for high-quality FMCG product in the regions and promote the region's fabulous artisan economy. Fourth, we will greatly enhance generation of solar power in the region. Our Prime Minister often speaks of converting waste to wealth. In line with this, we will convert the region's vast wasteland and wealth land by setting up 350 integrated compressed biogas plants. Fifth, Reliance Foundation will bring the best of cancer care to the Northeast. To begin with, we have established a 150-bed comprehensive cancer hospital in Manipur. We are collaborating with Mizoram University on care of breast cancer using genomic data. In Guwahati, we have built an advanced molecular diagnostic and research lab. It will be among the largest genome sequencing capacities in India. We will help transform the Northeast into a healthcare hub and a research powerhouse. Sixth, the Northeast is a treasure house of world-class talent in multiple sports. Reliance Foundation will work with all the 8 states to set up Olympic training centers which will prepare our youth to be tomorrow's medal winners in Olympics. Most respected Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, you have achieved something unbelievable and unimaginable. You have brought the Northeast from the periphery to the center of India's developmental map, from the margins to the mainstream of the India story. Under your guidance, we in industry will work with all the chief ministers to make the Northeast an inspiring model to demonstrate to the rest of the world how we can make progress, how development can take care of Dharti Ma, how Lakshmi Mata can reach every home, and how Bharat Mata indeed embraces all her children with her boundless love. Thank you. Jai Hind.